Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 8 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition. Check your progress 1. Okay, so if you have not watched the previous chapters, so here look at the screen. You can go to the playlist section and also watch. So here circle and label the pre-modifiers, post-modifiers and the head noun in the following noun phrases. So here the first 10 visitors to the exhibition. So here the first 10 visitors to the exhibition. So here the head noun visitors, okay, and here the pre-modifiers. Pre-modifier means the words that are used before the head word, before the head noun. So here pre-modifiers will be the first 10. Then you have to label the pre-modifiers. So here this is determiner, then first this is ordinal, then 10 this is cardinal, and here the post modifier to the exhibition, and here this is prepositional phrase to the exhibition. Then next here free pass for the talk show. So here the head noun pass, okay, and here pre-modifier this is free, and you have to also label the pre-modifier. So here free this is adjective, and post modifier for the talk show this is prepositional phrase. Then next here these dirty clothes in the washing basket. So here the head noun clothes, and pre-modifier these dirty. So here these this, that, these, those, these are known as demonstrative. So here you have to write these demonstrative, and dirty this is adjective, and here in the washing basket this is a post modifier and prepositional phrase here. The next here is small quantity of contaminated water. So here the head noun water, okay, and pre-modifiers a, okay, and a small quantity of these are quantifiers. Then next here pre-modifier here contaminated, here this is adjective, okay. Then next here several students of our school. So here head nouns, students, and pre-modifier this is several, and several this is quantifier. The next post modifier of our school this is prepositional phrase. The next here the vegetable garden nearby. So here garden this is head noun, and pre-modifier here the, and also vegetable. So here this is determiner, and vegetable this is here adjective. Then next modifier nearby this is adverb, okay. Then next the tedious walk ahead. So here head word walk, and pre-modifiers the and also tedious. So here pre-modifiers, and the here determiner, okay, determiner, and tedious this is adjective. The next here his first 100 errors. So here head word errors, and pre-modifiers his the first 100. So here his this is possessive, and the this is determiner, and first ordinal, 100 this is cardinal. Then next here the first few pancakes. So here head word pancakes, and pre-modifiers the first few, and the this is determiner, first this is ordinal, and few this is quantifier. Then next here the tiny candles around the room. So here candles this is head noun, and pre-modifiers here the and tiny, and here the, okay, the this is you have to also label the pre-modifiers. The this is determiner, and tiny this is adjective, and post modifier here around the room this is adverb phrase. Clear? Then next here identify the different types of nouns in these sentences. So here Ranjan bakes very good chocolate cakes. So here Ranjan, this is proper noun, and chocolate, this is common noun. Then next here, I listen to Indian classical music whenever I find the time. So here time, this is abstract noun, and music, this is common noun. The next here, everyone says honesty is the best policy. So here honesty as well as policy, they both abstract noun. Then next here, I dislike the taste of citrus fruit very much. So here taste, this is abstract noun, and fruit, this is common noun. Then next here, the jury has reached a verdict of not guilty. The jury, this is collective noun, and verdict, this is abstract noun, and here guilty, this is also an abstract noun. Then next here, humans are generally most similar to chimpanzees and also bonobos. So here human, this is common noun, and here chimpanzee, bonobos, they are also common noun. Then next here, Mr. Chaudhary is a lawyer in my town. So here Mr. Chaudhary, this is proper noun, and a lawyer and town, they both are common noun. The next here, a flock of sheep surrounded me from all corners in the field. So here flock, this is collective noun, and field, this is common noun. Okay. Then next here, identify the type of highlighted pronouns by crossing out the wrong ones from the three alternatives given. So is the red coat yours? So here yours, this is pronoun, possessive pronoun. So you have to cross out personal pronoun and demonstrative pronoun and tick on possessive pronoun. Then next, Pritish was driving the car well till he ran it into the wall. So here it, this is personal pronoun. So here you have to cross indefinite and possessive, tick on personal pronoun. Second one. Then next, I went to see the Judy and Jack, but neither was home. Neither here, you have to put a cross on possessive and indefinite. So here neither, this is distributive pronoun. Then next, Alisa got gifts from each of her 5 uncles. So here you have to put cross on indefinite and also personal. So here you have to tick on distributive pronoun. First one. Then next, she knows the man whom she met at the theatre yesterday. So here you have to put a cross on interrogative and possessive pronoun. So here relative pronoun. Okay, just tick on the second one, relative pronoun. She will blame herself for the accident. So here herself, this is reflexive pronoun. Okay, second one, and put cross on relative and also indefinite. Then next, this is the school where I studied. This is, so here this is that, these those, they are demonstrative. So here you have to tick on demonstrative and put cross mark on personal and also distributive. Then next, which is your favorite book? So here which, this is WH word, and here yes, it is used for interrogative. The second one, tick on second one and cross first and also third. Then next here, fill in the blanks in the following passage with appropriate articles. Put cross if no articles is required. So here chemical elements have been arranged into a table known as the periodic table of elements. It is extremely used by both the chemist and the students of chemistry. Dhrimti Mandlev was a chemist who had first come up with a version of the periodic table in 1869. The periodic table we see now is not the exact one he created. What we see and use now is the modified version of his periodic table tweaked by the modern scientist and the chemist. Okay. Then next here, make adjectives from the following words, then make sentences using these adjectives. The first you have to form adjective. Okay. So here danger, danger, dangerous. Okay. So here danger, adjective form will be dangerous. It is dangerous to play with fire. Then next here, artist, artistic. Okay. So here a good teacher encourages artistic creativity in students. The next here, love. So here love, adjective will be loving. My parents are the most loving and caring. Then next here, magic. Its adjective form will be magical. Nature can heal everything with its magical touch. Okay. Then next, finance. Adjective form will be financial. Sri Lanka is going through its toughest, okay, toughest period of its toughest period of financial crisis. Then next here psychology. Psychology. Its adjective form will be psychological. He is suffering from psychological disorders. Then next beauty. Its adjective form will be beautiful. What a beautiful country India is. The next fear. Adjective will be fearful. When my father seems to be angry, I look down to avoid his fearful looks. The next is adventure. Its adjective form will be adventurous. Arunima Sinha is adventurous and risk taking by nature. The next is its adjective form will be easy. Systematic preparation brings easy success. Okay, clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.